Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the Chelsea J Experience, where I give you uncensored and unfiltered advice on all things career and business. Remember, I made all the mistakes so you don't have to. And today I am going to answer one of the questions that I get from a lot of family, friends, and newbies who are trying to start a business, and that is, what type of business should I start? And if you're here, I already know that you are a powerhouse with a vision and a plan, and you want to make an impact. I know that for a fact because that's what entrepreneurship is. It is making an impact and really writing our own story and living the life that we want while helping others, right? So you're probably wondering, okay, what should I start? And I should also mention, if you are a multi-passionate person like me, you are probably like, wait, I have all these different skills, all these different abilities and interests. What should I focus on? My number one suggestion is focus on what you care about. Not just what you're good at, but what you care about. So let's go ahead and talk about some questions that you can ask yourself, right? Number one, what do people know you for? We all have those friends in our phone that when we have a question about a specific thing, we know exactly who to call, who will give us the business, who will get us together, and who will help us along the way. What kind of friend are you? Like, what do your friends and family and colleagues come to you for? And I want to make sure to make this distinction because sometimes we can have people that come to us for certain things that we're good at, but it's not necessarily our zone of genius. So when I say zone of genius, I am talking about the topic, the subject, the thing that when someone asks you, you're like, hold my drink or whatever it is, just hold something. I got this. I'm about to take it over and really get you all the way together. What is that thing for you? Better yet, when you overhear conversations or watch the news and they're talking about a specific thing, what riles you up to the point where you're like, excuse me, I have something to say. I'm going to say it. And this is how it is. All right. What is that thing for you? For me personally, as you can see, the Chelsea J Experience is all about career and business. The other thing that you can ask yourself is, when do I feel like I am operating as my higher self and at the highest level? What specifically are you doing? What task are you doing? What topic are you talking about when you feel like the highest version of yourself, when you are demonstrating excellence in your zone of genius? Think about that. The next thing that I'm actually going to ask you this, all right? If I said right now, hey friend, I'm putting together a webinar and I need a variety of topics, but it's tomorrow. What can you talk about for an hour? What would you talk about? That right there is usually the type of business that you want to run. You want to run a business where you don't need, I recommend preparation, but you want to run a business where you don't necessarily need preparation. You know it like the back of your hand and you are excited to talk about it. So think about what that topic is. Finally, ask yourself this question. What do you want your legacy to be? At the end of the day, what do you want to be remembered for? What impact do you want to make? For me personally, I want to be remembered for giving the best career and business advice and helping others reach their career goals and get to that next level, and also helping new business owners get to that next level as well, and even seasoned business owners too. I just want to be known for providing the support, the encouragement, the tools, the resources, and the empowerment to get you to that next level. And if I've played a small part in your journey, hey, I'm happy. That's my legacy. You'll remember how I made you feel. That's that. After you come up with the topic, the product, the thing, whatever it is, then we need to start talking about how we're actually going to package that into a service that is scalable, that is going to make you money, which will lead into pricing and clientele and finding your audience. But that's a different video. If you're interested in that, I would love to know, and I'd be happy to make a series out of it because I want to make sure that I am answering the questions that matter the most to you. So let me know in the comments below. And I should have started it off like this, but please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share because we are building a community filled with empowerment, encouragement, motivation, and I want you to contribute that and be part of it. And I want you to be notified when I drop the next video. So make sure that you subscribe, please. Drop a comment below. Let me know some of your thoughts that you're thinking about when it comes to starting a business. Let me know your fears or the things that you're interested in, but you're not really sure whether or not you should make it a business. Either way, I'll give you some good vibes in the comments, some ideas. Like I said, we're a community. Other people will jump in and help you out too. All right, thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of the Chelsea J Experience. I cannot wait to see you again next time. But until then, bye.